Umuazi. Adaobi ba anyị shikwe n'iwe bịakwa nene. Adaobi ba anyị shiri iwe. Adaobi ba anyị shiri iwe. Adaobi ba anyị shiri iwe. No banana. Okwa surprise. Diani no banana. Papa no banana. Okay nwa. Adaobi ba anyị shiri iwe. No banana.
Wow, that's so neat.
Adaobi ba anyị shiri iwe. Adaobi ba anyị shiri iwe. O shiri surprise thing. Unu taba na ozugbo n'unu kada ajụ. O shiri ka onye ọbụla taba mana unu aka arafukwa kada adị ibia. Unu aka arafukwa kada adị ibukwa iwe Adaobi ba anyị shi. Maka obi a decorate ti anya garnish chi.
Emergencies happen when you listen to it gets worse now on First Advance. With First Advance, salary earners can get up to 50% of their salary. No hassles. As long as you earn a monthly salary and your salary account has been active for at least just downstairs.
Oto umuazi. Unu dusho na oto. Adaobi ba anyị bụkwa great cook. Shini Adaobi ndewo. O bịakwa agwara anyị na ọ na-eshi. Ịmalụ na ọ na-eshi. Ịmalụ. Mana mụ nwa ama akwa o. Unu agwazi m. Unu je na-enyu ebe ọ na-eshi. Maka anyị nọ ebe. Anọ m ebe mụ na Daddy na-akali ụka. Amara m. Unu agwazi anyị. Ndị o tinyere akwụkwọ nri ọdụ delicious. Unu gwekwara ihe na akwụkwọ nri na-ata. Ọdụ ka aga m. Ihe m na-echebu. Ihe na-ata ose. Ị ga na-ata ose ata tomato. Ivuru ya ma akwụkwọ nri ihe na-ata sọsọ. Kekwa ibe na-eprint. Ibe anwụ ebidogokwa ọzọ. Ibe na-eprint ebidogokwa ọzọ. O bidogokwa ọzọ printing. O bidogo ọzọ. Ihe na-ata green pepper. Na-ata ma yellow. Ma iwe niile. Ma tomato. Sulie n'ose oti. Ibe anwụ ebidogo ọzọ. Ibe na-eprint. Onye taa bụ onye adazi n'uvu. Unu adazi n'uvu. Hey, akwụkwọ nri iwe dị delicious. Adaobi ishiteli ọfụma. Hey. Ị na-ata onions, na-ata akwụkwọ nri, na-ata ita cucumber, taa tomato, taa akwụkwọ nri, taa onions. Hey, onwekwa ụdị assorted vegetable adọrọ m.
So, for having me in this studio,
Hey.
so very much for this opportunity.
Adaobi. It was
just the respect I have for rice.
Na-abịa ịgwọ tomato mụ. Adaobi na-atasịkwa akwụkwọ nri. Ọ dị mma ya. Ka ibe eghere chicken. O ghere nnọọ ọkpọ siri ike mana ọ dị mma. Maka ọkpọsi ike. Ọ bịara arụ ọtịta.
That said judgment has been appealed by my opponent, the young lawyer is representing. The matter is before the Supreme Court, SC/162/2024.
Okay.
The matter is standing, so I
You have red pepper. Now,
lawyer over 18 years standing.
Daddy, you need pepper nnekwu ọzọ from nke.
A matter that is before
Daddy.
sanctuary.
Ihe ọ katara ma abụrụ m ya ka o ji ahụ.
Talk about the politics of it. I want to let viewers know that the judgment of the Court of Appeal, which has been appealed to the Supreme Court, is still pending. Now, with respect to the report made by Arise TV on the hearing that took place in the Supreme Court on the 14th of this month, it has nothing, it doesn't have any correlation whatsoever with the leadership of the party. That has to do with the pre-election matter, like the young lady, which was stated very copiously as reported, or as the matter was withdrawn by the appellate court lawyer from the Supreme Court. Exactly. So, I personally, as the national chairman of the party, when we got the tip that there was an
Fanya kuitagata, ichekwa kibia nota. Buya mose papa, kibuchekwa dadio.
Familiar with the facts of this matter, because they keep saying that Chiba is actually
Yeah, we make us segashiana.
From the Court of Appeal, he went to the Supreme Court. I never
Segashiana no
went to
so.
the Court of Appeal. Neither do I instructed any lawyer to
O se wa wagashiana no
reason
so.
why when we got
Nga bujeli dadio no na like
he
us.
instructed the lawyer, the law firm of the former Attorney General of the Federation.
Papa imene ko kwashi.
My matter at the level of Court of Appeal, and was one which is subsisting as we speak.
Okay, let me just quickly ask Oyinye, who is in our offside studio. Has Omwade appealed the appellate court decision to the Apex Court?
Yes, without dispute, he actually appealed against the decision of the Court of Appeal. But what we are trying to make everyone to understand is the fact that the case
Oru ja kwon ya do bi tire ni.
14th
Onions,
of May 2024.
my green pepper, my yellow pepper, my red pepper,
With the matter that emanated from High Court of FCT.
my salad leaf,
It's a different matter.
my lettuce.
That one was all about the expulsion of Kenneth Udeze from the party. The Federal High Court of Abeokuta, Ogun State, affirmed
All
the
the
fact that
nutritious.
Kenneth Udeze has been expelled from the party. The same Kenneth Udeze appealed to Court of Appeal. Court of Appeal still gave judgments in favor of Omaje on the fact that Kenneth Udeze was expelled from the party and even awarded cost of 1 million.
Well, okay. I think this is okay.
And
Okay.
if someone is not, if one has been expelled from the party, ordinarily, whether the person is the chairman or not, if you are a member of the party, you don't have any right to be the chairman of the party. It's something that everyone should know about.
So the appeal. So what you're saying is that the appeal court very quickly.
Please, thank you. Thank you so much. Incidentally, the young lawyer there over the other side was not part of this matter. Now, let me just quickly correct
Very quickly,
the impression. They keep making much mincemeat of the judgment of Abeokuta. With me here in the studio is the state judgment we are talking about, the certified true copy of the judgment in Abeokuta. It has to do with who was the authentic
Papa nke go na edovi wole na ata.
in
Iya pushizi.
Igbo State.
You be ga after green na ata pa.
Suspension, issue of suspension has already been settled by the Court of Appeal Abuja. And let me quickly,
That just
she
you
doesn't
go
know
ta.
because she's not part of the
Nobody's
legal
still
team
here.
that were in Abeokuta.
Izu okwayo.
The judgment in Abeokuta said, accordingly, this is the last
Igwale
part,
onye nta.
I shall
Kenny
not allow the plaintiff,
Kenny
that is the so-called
Who will go on
award
to that?
measurement. I will not
Yes.
allow the plaintiff to drag this honorable court into the murky water of tussle of leadership of his political party. I so hold. And she will now conclude by saying, in all, I uphold the second defendant application premise on my reason stated above. And in the same vein, I dismiss the plaintiff's originating summons. That matter they are talking about was the judgment was in the favor of the party. So how can the party who got a favorable judgment go to Supreme Court or go to Court of Appeal to appeal a judgment that was favorable? That was favorable. It's so laughable. So it doesn't have anything to do with the leadership of the party. It has to do with who was the authentic governorship candidate in Abeokuta, which the court in Abeokuta ruled in favor that S.O. Adeyemi was the governorship candidate. The Awofala she's mentioned is not known to the party. So if I have a favorable judgment in the court of Federal High Court,
That
I'm
is
expected
the
to
president
appeal
of
it.
Iran.
When I discovered their game,
You have
what they were
started.
trying to do, we quickly
But that's
instructed
a
the law firm of Ango.
How can I
So as for the mere fact that the Supreme Court had dismissed that
crash?
matter, it
Where they
means
crashed?
that there was no appeal after all.
I'm not the dead body.
So that is the position. As we speak
No,
now,
you
the
Yeah,
judgment
Shaka,
of appeal, Abuja, that offend my team as the authentic leadership of the party is still on appeal in the Supreme Court. The
contact,
election matter has no correlation whatsoever with respect to who are the leaders of the party. That is the point I want to make.
Just have to cut and see on this discussion. No, sorry, Onyinye, sorry.
I don't be a
have
parliament
the time.
telling
We
the
don't,
general.
have the luxury of time.
Can you open?
Chicken.
Sorry, please.
Mba okwu ibe niile o mee ka o bufute ọ bụ okwe ha afụje dọba.
No, sorry,
Where
please.
can we have up and
I
up?
asked you earlier if there was a court of appeal judgment. You understand?
Oh, you want me
So
to go
please,
with
we don't
the
have the luxury of time. The matter is
Uzoro
important.
ụfọdụ.
Their lordships will be in a better position to adjudicate this matter. Thank you very much, Barrister Kenneth Udeze, National Chairman, Action Alliance, and Oye Weze, Barrister, also counsel to Adekunle Omoaje faction of the party. News Night continues after the break. Stay tuned.